everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. So I made a video the other day showing all of the different filters and the ways that you can filter down the plants on our app. And I asked for feedback, and I wanted to thank everybody for your positive feedback from that video and your great suggestions. And I passed them along to Dale, and he is already hard at work on it. So be on the lookout for a new update coming very soon. And it will have a few new filters. So I thought I would make another quick video just to show the different ideas that people had that Dale was able to put in on our main screen. So first of all, one of the biggest requests that we got was about sunlight, specifically about shade. So what could be planted in the shade if you have mainly shaded areas. So if you'll notice with this new update, part of the filter section, whenever you hit additional filters, one of the filters will say tolerate shade. So these are plants that either can have a part shade or shade. So it'll help you if you are planning out your garden and you have only shaded areas. Another filter that we have now is going to be about the frost tolerance. So there are several plants that are cool season that can tolerate a light frost. Some of them can tolerate a heavy frost. So some people just wanted to see like the differences and be able to know like what they can plant. So that way they can filter down the plants to what is really good for a light frost and what's good for a heavy frost, because it's going to be, really cold in our area. So we thought that that would be helpful as well. So be looking for those filters as well. And last but not least, we did a filter that says a harvest within 60 days. So people wanted to see, have a list of plants for like a fast harvest. So if they didn't have a lot of time and they wanted to squeeze in something before their first freeze or before it gets too hot, or, either way. And so that was another filter that we added on there. So you will see that filter in place as well. I hope that this newest update and these new filters will really help make it a lot easier for you to find things to grow that's good for your area, your location. Hopefully that will help make it a little bit easier. If there's anything else that we missed or something else that you want to see filtered down by, please let me know. Comment in this comment section for this YouTube video, and I will pass that along again. So be looking for the newest update. It should be coming out very soon, and make sure you update and you will have all these new filters in place. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.